Hey guys, Dirk here. I'm shooting this video for you because something amazing popped up again. Um, um, I use this a lot for my accounts. Engagement really boosts the engagement of your account and therefore rank for certain hashtags. Um, there are many engagement groups where you do stuff manually and it just takes a lot of time. I found this, I'm using this a lot, been great results. Although it was closed for the public, they reopened it, so bam, you have the opportunity right now to get in. It may happen that it will close again, so use the link below. That will redirect you through a page where you can sign up for free. As long as it's open. So really take your your chance and do this and make sure that you have an account. You can always choose whether or not to to get engagement. It's about I don't know, it's about 15 cents per day. So it's really something to think about to use for your accounts. So what you do is you click the link below this video and you will be redirected to a page. Let me see if I can show you that. You'll be redirected to a page that looks like this. Yeah, your groups. This is where you need to be. Create your account. Get my free trial here. I am already a member, so let me see if I can log in like this. Yes, I can log in like that. So, and you end up here. And where you first need to go is to get started and read through this, how everything works. So there are different things you can do. You have other rounds, few groups, power likes. So this is all great. Power likes are very powerful. What I actually use the most is other rounds. Basically, what you do, you go to accounts and you see that I have some accounts here. You see that I'm using. I did stuff for other people as well. They're not all active anymore. But as you can see here, this is where you go down. I go down, then you see you do just add account. Then you put your Instagram username here, your Instagram password. Well, you should not have backup two-factor verification code, so you don't need to do that. Then you submit. You probably need to verify the account. You just go through the process. Once it's here, it means that this is the account where you give likes with. And then you can either do this. There's also comments, but a few groups. You see comment groups, for example. Set up slots, click here to get started. Just go through it. These are trials, you can do that. But you need to have accounts where there is enough engagement. They will check. If you have an account with 0 engagement, you will not get in. Other rounds, I showed you that. Power likes. Power likes. Power likes. This is the power like. You see the pricing. Other rounds, I would suggest this. This will give you 3 times per day about 500 likes on your post. So what you do is, you can buy more. I need to buy more then. But basically what you do is, let me see if I can check that. You have your account. This is the account where you give likes with. And then you just put an account where you receive likes with. Right? It can be the same, but this can also be different. So you can also choose a different account for this. And then these are the time slots where you can pick that up. So I would just, just do it. I really recommend this to play around with it. Let me see if I can show you that. You buy more. You see you can just go up, 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 up. These are not available. It has always been like this, so I don't know why. But you see, make sure that you look at the price. Because 1 is 12.50, but 2 is 14.15. You see, and there are jumps every 5 accounts. I guess there are jumps to a higher price, so it makes sense to either do 5 or go up to the 10 and stuff like that. So yeah, just create your account, play around with this. You pay with PayPal, it's monthly. If you think, hey, it's not for me, just cancel it. Start with 1, start with 10. I recommend you to do this. If you look at Time Freedom Dad, massive engagement over there. This is how. So I hope this video was clear. Just use the link, create your free account, and then install your accounts here. And then make sure you get auto rounds, or see if you can get in here as well. That will be useful. Okay, guys, awesome. Good luck.